I'm gonna talk about 3 ways to suggest with Korean verbs. Let's go! Welcome back to another video at KSTYLEYO. My name is In-young. If you're interested in learning Korean language and culture, start now by subscribing, clicking the bell so that you don't miss anything in the future. So today I'm gonna talk about how you can make suggestions in Korean using as verb endings. I will talk about grammar rules, differences between them, and also give you real-life sentence examples. I'm also gonna give you summary at the end of the video with your homework to do. So here are the 3 verb endings. First one is verb root plus R or 을래요. Second one is verb root plus R or 을까요. Verb root plus 겠어요. Since all of them requires a verb root, that means you don't need to conjugate verbs. So these 3 have pretty much the same functionality as suggestion, but there are some differences. Especially the first two, 레요 and 까요, they're both interchangeably used and also commonly used. But 레요 can be used in both polite and casual speech. However, 레요 sounds more common and casual than 까요. Because of this, it's just more common to use 알 or 을래 as casual speech. I often interpret 레요 ending English equivalent 용어라. In this case, the English expression, it doesn't mean do you want to do it or not. This is more like a suggestion, casual suggestion. You wanna do it? Do you wanna go out? As you noticed, because of this sentence structure in English, this actually focuses on you rather than we. Even though it's indirectly of doing things together in some cases, but it does focuses on you. Do you wanna? Let's get into 까요 now. 까요 can be used in both polite and casual speech. 까요 sounds less casual compared to 레요. And I also often interpret this as shall or should we. Since you notice this expression focuses on we as pronoun. So this is more like doing it together, built into the grammar structure. And third one, 겠어요. This sounds the most formal out of these 3. Even if you drop yo at the end, it doesn't make it as a casual speech. It just doesn't work that way. And this verb ending is very commonly used as she or 으시 after verb root to make the verb even more polite, as in 시겠어요 after verb root ending with a vowel or 으시겠어요 after a verb root ending with a consonant. This formal speech can be used when you talk to a customer as an employee or talking to your boss or when you're in any type of formal setting. I interpret this verb ending as would you like to in English. So because of this, this also focuses on you. Would you like to? Let's get right into the examples. So let's start with I or 을래요. 그 영화 볼래요? Do you want to see the movie? 그 is the, specifying the noun that comes after. 영화, movie. 보 is from see or watch, from 보다 verb. 알래요, wanna. As suggestion, 그 영화 볼래요? Do you wanna see the movie? The second one, 이 음식 먹을래요? 이, do you wanna eat this food? 이 음식, eat this 음식, food. 먹 is from 먹다 verb to eat. 먹 ends with a consonant, that's why I'm gonna use 을래요, wanna. 이 음식 먹을래요? Do you wanna eat this food? 새로 나온 노래 들어볼래요? Do you wanna listen to this new song? Do you wanna listen to this new song that came out? 새로 is newly. 나온 is from a verb, 나오다. Made it into an adjective by adding an, 나온. Describing 노래, song. This song that came out. The new song that came out or the song that came out newly. 새로 나온 노래. 들어볼래요? 들어 is from a verb 듣다, which is to listen to, conjugated to 들어. And it has another verb which is 보다. This is actually to see as the first example, but when it's used with another verb, it means try. So try to do the first verb. So try listening to this new music that just came out. 알레요 wanna. Do you wanna listen to this song that came out? 새로 나온 노래 들어볼래요? Like I mentioned earlier, 레요 is more commonly used when it's a casual speech. So what you need to do, you just drop yo at the end of the sentences. That becomes casual speech. So second way to make suggestion, verb root plus I or 을까요. This grammar rule is exactly the same as the first one, so we can literally apply this grammar rule to the first three examples that we just talked about. 그 영화 볼까요? Shall we see the movie? 이 음식 먹을까요? Shall we eat this food? 새로 나온 노래 들어볼까요? Shall we try to listen to this new song that came out? That was pretty simple, right? So the third example, which is the verb root plus 겠어요. So in these examples, I'm gonna add 시 or 의시 after verb root as well. 주문하시겠어요? Would you like to order? 주문하, this is to order from 주문하다. 시, this is making the verb more formal. 겠어요? Would you like to? 주문하시겠어요? Would you like to order? 어디 가시겠어요? 어디 is where, 가 is from, 가다 to go. By adding 시 makes the verb more formal. 가시겠어요? Would you like to? Where would you like to go? 어디 가시겠어요? 지금 드시겠어요? Would you like to eat now? 지금 now. 드시 is actually from a verb 드시다, which is to eat. This is already built into the honorific form in this verb. So as you notice, she is already part of the verb 드시다. So you don't need to add additional she in this case. 드시겠어요? So would you like to eat now? 지금 드시겠어요? So let's wrap up about what we studied today. So there are three ways to make suggestions in Korean. The first one is verb root plus 알래요 or 을래요. The second one is verb root plus 알까요 or 을까요. The third one is verb root plus 겠어요. So difference between these three is that the first one is more casual than 까요, and you can interpret it as wanna. And second one is less casual than the first one. It works in both ways. If you say 까요, that's polite speech. If you use 까, that is casual speech. And I interpret this as shall. Shall we do something together? The third one is 겠어요. This is most formal to make suggestions. I usually interpret this as would you like to. Commonly we add 의시 or 시 after the verb root. So here's the homework for you. So there are three phrases for you to do. The first one is, do you want to go shopping? Should we meet tonight? Would you like to sleep now? So in this case, you can use honorific verb, which is 주무시다. That is to sleep in honorific. Hopefully you enjoyed this video today. If it was useful, make sure to give it a like. Share this video with your friends and families. If you have any questions, leave them comment down below, and I see you guys next time. Bye bye.